Guys, welcome back to Miles and Elizabeth's Toy Club, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Hold on, I need to get all the slimes. I'm going to save the best slimes for last, and there's two really good slimes that I just made today. Wow! And they're proper slimes. I'll tell you what the first thing in the thing is. One is mint, and the other is light. So that's the first sentence. That's the first word in the sentence. Okay, what was that? Okay, so we're going to start with the worst. The worst is this magic putty. It's even... so hard to open. I had this. This is terrible. Okay, I'm sorry, that took a long time, so it's not even squishy. I don't even know what happened to that slime. Anyway, second worst is this slime. It's horrible, honestly. I don't even like it anymore. That. Wait, no, I actually like this better. Oh my gosh, I have my galactic slime. Yes, I bought most of these at the store. It's Jiggly slime. It's galactic Jiggle slime. So you can buy that at the store. That's done. Okay, this one. It's called Magic Putty. Here's the great ones. There's this light green glossy slime. I don't have much of this. It's my sister's banana split slime mixed with the slime I'm going to show you. So that's the other slime. It's like really noisy. Ready? Oh my gosh, I can't even put my little fingies on there. In there. Okay, just the top just fell off. Okay, this is the name. Mint green fluffy slime. So there are two fluffy slimes. My sister's banana split slime. And my mint green slime. And they had a baby. And the baby was the light green glass. My sister's batch is huge, but not huger than mine. No, huger is not a word. Bigger. And by the way, in Tahiti, we did a puppy rescue. We saved 3 little puppies. I'm gonna cry soon. I might not, but I'm really caring of animals, so I cry. I literally cried when I saw the puppies in the road. But it's a big thing in Murray Island. Everybody, it's not such a big thing because people do it a lot of times. They find a lot of abandoned dogs in the road. So I'm gonna stop saying that. But we took them to the shelter, so there's only 2 shelters. So they took them to Tahiti. So no. So anyway, enough of that. That is my slime collection. Bye, guys.